The year is 2025. The world has changed significantly, with technology and sustainability at the forefront of every industry. The place is a bustling manufacturing plant in the heartland of America. This plant is a beacon of modern industry, showcasing the latest advancements in manufacturing technology. The plant produces components vital to renewable energy. Solar panels, wind turbine parts, and other green energy solutions are crafted here with precision and care. It's a place where innovation meets industry. Cutting-edge machinery and processes ensure that the plant remains at the forefront of technological advancements. The air hums with the sounds of machinery. The rhythmic clanking and whirring of equipment create a symphony of productivity. Workers, clad in hard hats and safety goggles, diligently go about their tasks. Safety is paramount here. Every worker is trained to prioritize their well-being and that of their colleagues. The plant boasts a robust health, safety and environment (HSE) management system. This system is the backbone of the plant's operations, ensuring that every process is carried out safely and efficiently. Regular drills and training are a way of life. These exercises prepare the workers for any potential emergencies, ensuring they can respond swiftly and effectively. The plant's commitment to safety is evident everywhere. Clearly labeled emergency exits, safety showers and eye wash stations are strategically placed throughout the facility. These safety features are not just for show. They are essential components of the plant's safety infrastructure, ready to be used at a moment's notice. Signs reminding workers of safety protocols adorn the walls. These reminders are a constant presence, reinforcing the importance of safety in every task. The plant's management believes that a safe workplace is a productive workplace. They are committed to creating an environment where safety is ingrained in the culture. They invest heavily in maintaining a culture of safety consciousness. From the latest safety equipment to comprehensive training programs, no expense is spared. Little do they know, their commitment will soon be put to the test. An unforeseen challenge is on the horizon, one that will require every ounce of their training and dedication. Deep within the plant, a network of pipes carries various chemicals essential to the manufacturing process. These pipes, made of high-grade materials, are designed to withstand extreme conditions and ensure the smooth flow of substances. Valves, meticulously maintained, regulate the flow of these substances. Regular inspections and adjustments are crucial to keep the system running efficiently and safely. However, on this seemingly ordinary day, a previously undetected flaw in one valve's internal mechanism led to a sudden malfunction. This flaw, hidden deep within the valve, had gone unnoticed during routine checks. The result was an unexpected surge in pressure within the pipe system. The pressure gauge, which usually showed stable readings, now indicated dangerously high levels. Alarms blared through the facility. The piercing sound echoed through the halls, signaling an emergency. Workers, trained to recognize this sound, immediately halted their activities and looked around for guidance. Their training kicked in and they knew exactly what steps to take next. The plant's automated system kicked into gear, isolating the affected area. This system, designed for such emergencies, worked flawlessly to contain the issue. This swift action prevented the problem from escalating into a full-blown crisis. The containment procedures were executed with precision, ensuring the safety of the entire facility. The plant's control room sprang into action. Operators monitored the situation closely, ready to intervene if necessary. Experienced engineers huddled over monitors, quickly assessing the situation. Their expertise and quick thinking were crucial in managing the emergency and ensuring the plant's operations could resume safely. The situation was serious but not chaotic. The plant's HSE team, trained for precisely this scenario, swung into action. Following well-rehearsed protocols, they quickly donned their hazmat suits and respirators. Equipped with specialized equipment for containment and cleanup, they rushed towards the affected area. Their movements were precise, their faces determined. Meanwhile, other workers, guided by the plant's emergency procedures, began a calm and orderly evacuation. They knew the escape routes and assembly points like the backs of their hands. There was no panic, only a quiet efficiency born from countless drills. Within minutes, the entire plant was evacuated. The workers assembled at a safe distance, anxiously watching the unfolding situation. The HSE team worked diligently. They used absorbent booms to contain the spill and prevent it from spreading. Next, they deployed specialized pumps to transfer the contained chemical into secure containers. Their movements were practiced, almost balletic in their precision. Every member of the team knew their role and executed it flawlessly. Hours passed and the initial tension began to ease as the team successfully contained the spill. There were no injuries. The plant's quick response and the team's expertise had prevented a potentially dangerous situation from turning catastrophic. Exhaustion was evident on the faces of the HSE team, but so was a sense of accomplishment. Section 5. The investigation begins. With the immediate danger averted and the cleanup complete, the focus shifted to understanding the cause of the incident. The plant's management, committed to preventing similar events in the future, initiated a thorough investigation. A team of experts, including engineers, safety inspectors, and representatives from the chemical supplier, was assembled. They meticulously examined the affected area, looking for clues. They pored over maintenance logs, scrutinized equipment records, and analyzed data from the plant's monitoring systems. Interviews were conducted with the workers who were present during the incident. Every detail, no matter how small, was considered significant. The investigation was thorough, leaving no stone unturned. Section 6. Uncovering the root cause. After days of meticulous investigation, the root cause of the valve malfunction was identified. It wasn't a case of negligence or human error. Instead, it was a subtle manufacturing defect in the valve itself. The defect, invisible to the naked eye, had weakened the valve over time, eventually leading to its failure. The investigation team's findings were presented to the plant's management. The report was detailed and comprehensive, outlining not only the cause of the incident, but also a series of recommendations to prevent similar events in the future. The plant's management, committed to maintaining the highest safety standards, took the report's recommendations very seriously. Section 7. Lessons learned and implemented. The plant's management immediately implemented the investigation team's recommendations. They understood the gravity of the situation and knew that swift action was necessary to prevent any future incidents. The team worked tirelessly to ensure that every recommendation was thoroughly evaluated and executed. The first step was to replace all valves of the same make and model as the one that failed. This was a massive undertaking, requiring coordination across multiple departments. The replacement process was meticulously planned to minimize disruption to the plant's operations. Even though the other valves appeared to be functioning correctly, the risk was deemed too great to ignore. The management decided that it was better to be proactive rather than reactive. This decision underscored their commitment to safety and operational integrity. Next, they worked with the valve supplier to implement more stringent quality control measures at the manufacturing level. This collaboration aimed to ensure that all future valves met the highest standards of quality and reliability. Regular audits and inspections were scheduled to maintain these standards. The plant also used the incident as an opportunity to review and enhance its existing safety protocols. Comprehensive safety training sessions were conducted for all employees, emphasizing the importance of vigilance and adherence to safety procedures. They added new sensors to detect even the slightest pressure variations in the pipe system. These advanced sensors provided real-time data, allowing for immediate response to any anomalies. This technological upgrade was a significant step towards preventing future failures. They also revised their maintenance schedules, incorporating more frequent inspections and tests of critical components. This proactive approach ensured that any potential issues were identified and addressed before they could escalate. The goal was to create a system where potential problems could be identified and addressed before they could escalate into incidents. By implementing these comprehensive measures, the plant aimed to foster a culture of safety and reliability, ensuring the well-being of its employees and the integrity of its operations. Section 8. A culture of safety first. The incident served as a powerful reminder of the importance of a robust HSE management system. The plant's quick response and the professionalism of its employees prevented what could have been a disastrous situation. The incident also highlighted the importance of continuous improvement. The plant's management, already deeply committed to safety, used this experience to further strengthen their safety culture. They organized additional training sessions for their employees, focusing on the lessons learned from the incident. They also established a system for employees to anonymously report any potential safety concerns. Section 9. The importance of preparedness. The incident at the manufacturing plant underscores a universal truth. Preparedness is not an option, it's a necessity. Accidents can happen, even in the most well-run facilities. The difference between a near miss and a catastrophe often comes down to preparation. The plant's commitment to maintaining a robust HSE management system, their regular drills and training exercises, and their willingness to learn from this incident all contributed to the successful outcome. They serve as a shining example of how a culture of safety first can make all the difference.